Hello students, welcome back to our channel Aceyourlearning with Divya. Students, in today's video, we'll understand division by one digit number. What is division? Division is nothing but equal sharing or equal grouping. The number which we have to divide into equal groups is called as dividend. By the number which the dividend will be divided is called as divisor. The answer what you get after dividing a number is called as quotient. The leftover number is called as remainder. Let us now learn to divide 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Here, Mr. Kumar bought a TV set for rupees 7,272. He paid it in 6 equal amounts every month for 6 months. How much did he pay every month? He bought TV set for 7,272 and he pays the amount in 6 equal months. So 7,272 has to be divided by 6, which means 7,272 is dividend and 6 is divisor, right? So 7,272 needs to be divided by 6, right? Here, in the first step, 7,000 needs to be divided. 7 is in thousands place, right? So it has to be divided by 6. 6, one time is 6, right? Now, take away 6 from 7. What is 6 minus 7 minus 6? Yes, 1. So, 1 is left here. Now, what do we need to do? We need to bring down the value which is in hundreds place. Bring down 5. So, when you bring down 5 and regroup, it will be 15. 1 and 5 will be 15, right? So, in the first step, what did we do? We divide 1000, that is 7,000 by 6, and the remainder is 1. We have put 1 in the thousands place and 1 in the quotient place. Second step, we will bring down the 5 from hundreds place and now divide 15 by 6. 6 one time is 6. 6 two times is 12. 12 can be subtracted by 15, right? But 6 3 times will be 18. 18 cannot be subtracted by 15. So, we will write 6 2 times is 12. 6 2 times is 12. What is 15 minus 12? Yes. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we are left with 3, right? So here in the step 3, after dividing 15 by 6, we get 2 in the quotient place, right? 6 2 times is 12. So here we get 2 in the quotient and the remainder is 3. We have put 2 in the hundreds place of the quotient and next we have to bring down 7 alongside the remainder 3. So, it will make 37. 3 and 7 will be 37. Now we have 37. So, 3 here, 6. 1 time is 6. 6 2 times 12. 6 3 times 18. 6 4 times 24. 6 5 times is 30. 6 6 times is 36, which is less than 37. But 6 7 times will be 42. 42 will be more than 37. So we'll stop till 36, which is 6. 6 times is 36, right? Don't forget to write the subtraction sign. Here we are left with 7 minus 6 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. See, so here what did we do in the step 4? Yes, we divided 37 by 6. We got the quotient 6 and the remainder 1. We have to put 6 in the quotient place and next we have to bring down 2 next to 1 and it will make 12. Now we have 12. So here in the step 5 we have to divide 12 by 6. So 6 what times is 12? Yes, 6 2 times is 12. Correct? So here 12 minus 12 will be 0. Here no remainder is left. You have to put 2 in the quotients place and 12 minus 12 will be 0 and no remainder left as it is 0. This is how we divide 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Now no more digits are left here. So we'll stop dividing. Here the quotient is 1262, which means Mr. Kumar has to pay 1262 every month